Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make your PayPal account verified. Verifying your PayPal account is a crucial step to unlock its full potential and ensure secure transactions. It helps PayPal confirm your identity, which in turn removes many account limitations, such as sending and withdrawal caps. This process typically involves linking and confirming a financial instrument, like a bank account or a credit card, to your profile. Let's go through the simple steps together. To link your bank account, first log into your PayPal account and find the Wallet section. From there, select the option to link a new bank account. You will need to enter your bank's routing and account numbers. PayPal will then send 2 small deposits, typically just a few cents each, to your bank account within 2 to 3 business days. Once these appear on your bank statement, return to PayPal and enter the exact amounts to complete the verification. Alternatively, you can link a credit or debit card for verification. Navigate to the Wallet section and choose to link a new card. You will need to provide your card number, expiration date, and the 3-digit security code found on the back. PayPal will then make a small, temporary charge, usually around $1.95, to your card. A unique 4-digit code will appear on your card statement next to this charge. Enter this code into PayPal to confirm your card. Verifying your PayPal account offers several significant benefits. You will gain higher transaction limits, allowing you to send and withdraw larger amounts of money. Additionally, a verified account provides increased buyer and seller protection on eligible transactions, giving you greater peace of mind. You will also unlock access to more of PayPal's comprehensive features and services. The entire process is straightforward and usually takes just a few business days to finalize, ensuring a more robust and secure experience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.